Launching the Mercury Redstone MR7 with the upgraded 3D printed capsule in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well, that's nice. We have dual deployments, and hopefully it won't go into trees or anything. Looks like we're heading for the farm field again. Okay. And we have some barn swallow. Looks like he's heading out to attack it, but we've grounded. Okay. Well, it's a bit of a hike getting out here to the landing zone of our Mercury Redstone airframe. It looks like everything's intact. We're going to have to gather this chute up because we don't want any damage here. Okay, we'll wrap this up and then we'll go get the space capsule. Well, this is disheartening. The 3D printed part hit this clump on the way down and it shattered. So hopefully I can piece this back together. See some parts here. I don't know, this is ABS plastic, it's 3D printed. So anyway, back to the fun, frolic, and frivolity of the Fun Day Puppet Show.